Mm. A warm welcome to one and all. This is Ponali, Principal of Bhagwan Mahavir Dayaniketan Jain School, TN048 from Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It is so good to meet everyone through the curtain raiser event of the ASISC Virtual Conference. Since schools are at lockdown from March 2020, we at education sectors are facing lot of difficulties to reach out to the students. Initiation of online classes. With the guidance and support from our management and council, we had initiated online teaching initially for classes 9th and 10th. Then from the council, online teaching for primary and high school was telecasted through TV channels. In the mid of April, we started online classes for 9th and 10th standard through Zoom application, and from May month onwards, online classes for 4th to 8th standard started, and this was continued with classes for junior KG to 3rd standard in the month of June. As per the council and state government instructions, we have scheduled the period for online classes. To ensure the cyber safety for students and to assess many features in one platform. We switched to Microsoft Teams from August month, which enabled us to conduct the online classes and examination in a better way. Innovative teaching methods. For pre-primary and primary classes, animated videos and slides are being used to teach the students for understanding concepts. One object is used to explain the multiple concept learning for kindergarten students. For high school, live whiteboard are used to explain the maths concept, and individual attention is given to each student, and separate review classes are allocated to make the students practice lively. Practice worksheets are given to the students of classes 1st standard to 10th standard to give them the writing practice, and review questions are sent to the students of classes 1st to 8th standard for all the subjects after completion of each lessons. Skill LOC based Google Form learning assessment. Daily assessment are conducted for the students in all the subjects for classes 4th to 10th standard through Google Forms. Responses from the students are taken into calculation for class average. Examination are conducted for the students of class 6 to 10 standard through Microsoft Teams platform. Students are segregated section-wise and exams are conducted. For classes 1st standard to 5th standard, curriculum and LSRW and LOC assessment has been conducted for the students by interacting with one-to-one through online platform. Extra coaching is provided for the students. Subject discussion. Weekly subject discussion are conducted for the teachers to equip themselves with innovative teaching technology. This helps them to cover the content in a scheduled period. Observation are done for the teachers in the online classes, which helps to monitor the staff and students. COVID awareness. As per the council guidance, COVID awareness is given to all the students through online classes. Flexboards are prepared and kept in the school campus and outside for spreading the COVID awareness among the parents and public. As per the SOP guidelines given by the central and state government, our school is following the social distancing method. Every staff and parent is allowed in the campus after the thermal scanning and sanitizing. The campus is entirely sanitized at the regular intervals using the sanitizing machines. Internal assignment and SUPW. Topics for the internal assignment for 9th and 10th standard were given to the students, and guidance were given on the online classes. Practical demonstration by the teachers were given for the science projects. Students completed their assignment and records and sent through the mail, which was evaluated by the teachers. SUPW projects were also completed by the students. Medicine plants and wire baskets were given as topics, and students done it with full involvement. Students submitted their detailed report about their SUPW projects. Webinars. Various webinars were conducted for the students. School association like Science Association, Karuna Club, Literary Club, Eco Club, and Max Club were inaugurated in the virtual mode, and seminars also conducted by the resources person. The students were involved in the webinars to interact lively with the resources person. All the webinars were conducted through Zoom app and telecasted live in the school YouTube channel. Some of the webinars to highlight on 2nd September 2020, Dr. Srimati Kesan, founder and CEO of Space Kids India, conducted science webinar on the topic Science in Daily Life. And 12th September 2020, Adolescent Stress Management Program by Mrs. R. Sudha, MA MPhil, presentation on life skill, anxiety and stress. On 13th September 2020, Health Awareness Webinar Program by Dr. Narmata Ashok, Consultant Pediatrician and Director, Nalam Medical Center on Hospital, Vellore. Awareness on general health symptoms and precautionary method of COVID was explained. On 10th October 2020, Karuna Club conducted motivational program by Sri Sajjan Raj Surana, Auditor, President Karuna International, Chennai, and Ms. Abhishankari NLP, Professional Trainer, Chennai. In the pandemic, how the students can involve in the Karuna values were highlighted. On 17th October 2020, Essentials of English Learning was conducted by our school alumni, Ms. S. Maria Brigade, Janita, MA MPhil, Teaching Faculty, Department of English, Anna University, MIT Campus, Chennai. On 19th October 2020, our school conducted origami paper folding craft program for classes 6th standard to 8th standard. On 31st October 2020, our school conducted webinar on enhancing communication skill with LSRW by Ms. N. Hema Malini, lecture, Department of English, Marudhar Kesari Jain College for Women, Vaniyabadi. On 7th November 2020, webinar on eco-friendly and innovative agriculture was conducted by Subramanya Babu, Professor and Dean, VIT School of Agriculture, Innovation and Advanced Learning, VIT University. On the 12th of November 2020, Children's Day celebration was conducted by Mr. R. Santosh, RJ, mimicry artist from Trichy. Skits, songs and games were conducted through visual mode for children. On 21st November 2020, Students Empowerment Program was conducted by Dr. G. Deepalakshmi, Head Department of Business Administration, Marudhar Kesari Jain College for Women, Vaniyabadi. And 12th December 2020, Max Club was inaugurated and webinar on Max, Your Life and Ada was conducted by Dr. B. Pushpamala, Associate Editor and Translator for Tamil Nadu Open University in Department of Special Education. Competition. Speech, stories of compassion, exam, and poetry competition were conducted for the students by Karuna International. Prathmik courses were conducted in our school and students cleared the level by writing the exams on online. 10th standard students were enrolled for National Talent Search examination, which is going to be held at 27th December 2020. Quiz competition were conducted for the students through visual mode. Workshop for the teachers. Various workshops and trainings are conducted for the teachers to equip themselves in advanced online teaching method and techniques to reach the students in better way. We have organized webinars from publisher companies such as Chan and Orient Blank Swan. Teachers are also attending Nishita courses through Diksha portal. So far, first batch is completed and second batch is on process. Upcoming webinars and programs, we're proud to say that we have also planned to celebrate Fit India School Week from 14th to 19th December 2020. On 14th December 2020, Mr. K.C. Arivasan, District Sports and Youth Welfare Officer, Vellore, inaugurated the session and gave motivational speech about fitness. Visual assembly, freehand exercises, fun and fitness, aerobics, yoga, poster making, preparing advertisement, essay, poem writing competition, and webinars on different topics such as diet and fitness, nutrition, or bringing plant to be conducted. We thank the Council for the immense support and looking forward for future endeavors. We assure you our fullest cooperation. Thank you.